This is the 21st tutorial from the Njan in JavaScript category. Here we are going to discuss about the this keyword in JavaScript. What is this keyword? What is the purpose of that? How it is impacting our JavaScript code and its samples we are going to look into this. What is this operator? This is a operator is a keyword refer to the object belong to it. It vary on every execution of JavaScript. It helps us to access the object's property and values. If you are think about that object, it having the certain properties like key value pair kind of things, also functions, also it having the specific some features. So like the way this refer the what is belongs to it. It may be a belongs to particular class, particular function, or a global function, meaning it may be a belongs to the window object. Let me explain based on some samples. You will get clear. Consider this. Here I am declaring one variable, that is globally I have declared myvar as equal to 100. Also I am having some local variable also. In this function I am having trying to print both myvar. Also here I am using this dot myvar. Let me check how it's executing. This global myvar is belongs to the window object. Let me check that one, window of myvar. So yes, as our expectation, it is available in a window object. Let me call this function. Who is this? Here I am getting 200 in first line. Second line I am getting the 100, meaning the first line belongs to the local scope. The second line we are calling this dot myvar. While calling this function call automatically binded with the window object. That's the reason we are getting 100. So I will clear you with some more examples. I am declaring one object. This object also will going to have a same myvar property. Myvar equal to 1000. Okay, maybe I can have like a var. Okay, I declared it. While calling this function, I am using some apply. We will talk about this apply in later videos. It is a very advanced level for now. You can watch so that you will get an idea. I will explain you now basic things. If you look into this, now we are getting 200 and 1000. How it happened? Because here this apply will upon change the this property. So whatever we are giving, this will get override this property. So right now, previously while calling this, it having the this pointing the window object. Right now this pointing this object, I mean this we are declaring one object, right? The this keyword pointing this declaration, because we manually made a changing the pointer. That's the reason whenever we are using this dot myvar, we are getting 1000. So the this belongs to this refer the belongs to things. I hope you got it. Previously the this object belongs to the window object. Right now the this belongs to the our AWare object. Like the way that this vary on execution time also. So whenever we are playing with this, we have to be a very careful. In element aspect and event aspect, whenever we are making some event, using this keyword you can able to work around all entire elements properties. Like on click you are getting this property, you can able to get the all the attributes of elements, all the values of elements, so on. If you are started to learn on this, you came to know more things. I think this is for now is enough for you. I hope you are clear. If you having the any doubts, you can always put your comments and clarification on comment window. I am available to clarify you.